Hey, welcome to the show. We have Eureka Math today. We got grade 3, module 1, and lesson 11, Sent from Heaven. All right, let's get started here. I am on page, what is the page? 65. So we have our little application problem here. I always like reading their stories. This one is going to be dealing with lemon slices. So Rosie puts 2 lemon slices in each cup of iced tea. So right now I'm going to go ahead and underline 2 lemon slices. And she uses a total of 8 slices. How many cups of iced tea does Rosie make? All right, let's check this out. So we have 2 lemon slices in each cup. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and draw out 2 lemon slices. All right. And they don't say that we need to make an array. So I'm just going to have fun with my picture today. So we got 2, and then we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to make a glass for each of those. And while I'm doing that, I'm thinking of iced tea with lemon in there. And I'm getting a little thirsty. So, ooh, golly, that would be nice on a warm day, wouldn't it? All right. So she uses a total of 8 slices. How many cups of iced tea does Rosie make? Let's go ahead and count it out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a total of 4. I think she's going to have some people come over and maybe some friends. And, she's probably going to have 3 friends come over and enjoy some nice cold iced tea. So down here we're supposed to write this. It's like, how many cups of iced tea does Rosie make? Well, Rosie, and that's a pretty name, isn't it? Rosie. Rosie makes 4 cups of iced tea. All right, I hope Rosie gives me a call and says, hey, would you like some iced tea? I'll say, sure. All right, let's go on to the next page here. Here is our question. Mrs. Prescott has 12 oranges. She puts 2 oranges in each bag. How many bags does she have? So it says draw an array where each column shows a bag of oranges. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to underline this. That's pretty important. 12 oranges. And she puts 2 oranges in each bag. And then this is our question. Sometimes I like to just make a little wavy line for my question. So it says draw an array. Okay. So array is like when we're doing, remember it has all the little circles in a row. And let's say our problem was like 2 times 3. We would make 2 rows of 3. So we have 12 oranges. She puts 2 oranges in each bag. So I'm going to do 12 oranges. Let me see. I'm going to make sure here. No, 12 oranges. She puts 2 oranges in each bag. All right. So I kind of have to count by 2, don't I? So right now, this is just one way to do it. There's so many different ways. So I'm going to count by 2 until I get to 12. So I'm going to go like this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now, I'm going to put 2 oranges in each of these. So this would represent my bags. So this is 2. There's another 2, a 2, a 2, a 2, and a 2. A 2D 2. And really what this problem is, it is some number, that's the amount, times 2 equals 12. I'm sorry, 12 is the total amount. So this would be like the groups. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 groups of 2. So 6 times 2 is 12. So here they're doing a division. So remember, multiplication is the opposite of division. So we have 12 right here because that's this number. And we're dividing by 2. And that would be 6. Now, remember, your teacher might be doing it a different way, or you will be doing it a different way. But the cool thing about mathematics is you can do different ways to come up with the same answer. All right, let's keep on moving. Now it says redraw the oranges in each bag as a unit in the tape diagram. This thing right here, that's called a tape diagram. The first unit is already done for us. Right here, that's the unit, all right? That's like a bag right here. So label the diagram with the known and unknown information from the problem. So this is known, that's unknown. Like, oh, what number is that? Oh, let's count it. 1, 2. There are 2 oranges right here. All right. So sometimes if you want to, you can just put the 2 there, or you can put oranges. So we have 2 oranges. And this right here is going to be my total number. And we know that from here. Right there. We have a total of 12, or 12 oranges. Now before I was getting a little bit thirsty for iced tea. Now I'm getting hungry for an orange. Come on. They're doing a lot of food things here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and fill in each of these bags. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. A 2D 2. All right. That's what the tape diagram is. What is all that about? This is just a visual representation of what 6 times 2 is. Here, look at that. All that right there, that's like an array. Now they're getting a little bit fancy on you. They're putting it in groups, all right, for our tape diagram. All right, so don't get confused. They're just trying to pretty it up so you can better visualize what it looks like. So again, but the real thing is that 6 times 2 equals 12, or 12 divided by 2 equals 6. That's this right here, okay? That's a picture of this. Mrs. Prescott arranges 18 plums into 6 bags. What is it with all this food and fruit? Golly, if you're taking this math class before lunch, I bet you're getting hungry. Okay, we got 18 plums, 6 bags. I wonder how many are in each bag. Well, we're going to have to do some division, aren't we? How many plums are in each bag? There's that tricky question. There it is. Model the problem with an array and a labeled tape diagram. Show each column as a number of plums in each bag. So I'm going to do the array first. So I got 18 plums into 6 bags. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead now, like you said. The teacher might do it a different way. I'm going to go ahead and make my 6 bags. I'm going to put lines. That's what I like doing, putting lines here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got to make sure I'm doing this right. Yeah, so we got 6 bags. We want to know how many plums are in each bag. So I got 18. One way to do this with 18 is just simply start putting plums down and count 18. And make sure that you put 1 plum in each bag. If you want to do something really cool, get 6 bags, paper bags, and get 8, erasers, and 18 erasers, and just start dropping them in. So let's go ahead and start dropping them in and count. Hey, you want to count with me? Go ahead. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That person in the back row is not counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Look at there. There's our array. We have 6 bags right here. We got 6 bags. How many are in each bag? We have 6 groups of 3, and that equals 18. Again, this is just a visual representation of what multiplication looks like. Now we do this little fancy thing. It is the tape diagram. We're just doing this and making it look a little different. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and make my tape diagram, which is a long rectangle, just like that. All right, and how many times do I need to divide this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 6 squares or rectangles inside of here. So I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. How many are in each of these little, and you can say that these are bags or whatever it is. How many are in each bag? Right here. 1, 2, 3. So I have, now I can, if you want to, you could always, and I don't know about the teacher, ask her, or him or her, I can put 3 here or just put in my 3 plums, just like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you can sing this out too. 1, 2, 3, or you could even beatbox it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go ahead and now we're going to do this little thing. It just tells you how many are in each bag. Do that little curly Q thing here. And there are 3 in each bag. 3 each. And right there. And so how many are in the total? You don't have to count it out. That's the total right there. So I need to have that number here. So you do that little fancy little thing here. Could be, looks like a bow or something. And this will be 18 total. All right. Again, this is just visual. All right. It's just a visual picture. It's just a picture of what 6 times 3 equals. All right. So, like I said, don't make it any more difficult than what it is. How many plums are in each bag? 3. There you go. I wonder if they're going to talk about food in the next questions, because I'm already wanting. I guess I really don't want plums, but I wouldn't mind some oranges and iced tea. Are you ready? Let's turn the page. Okay, here we go. 14 shopping baskets are stacked equally in 7 piles. How many baskets are in each pile? Model the problem with both an array and a labeled tape diagram. Show each column as the number of baskets in each pile. I don't know about you, but when I was younger, and even right now, I read this and all of a sudden I get to this point, it's like, what? You get a little confused. You gotta take it easy, cheesy, lemon squeezy. Have fun with your drawings. Later on when you start doing problems, just have fun drawing it. You know, if it's a tape diagram, it's an array, or just pictures of, cups, you're getting to the same answer. Have fun with it. Okay. 14 shopping baskets are stacked equally in 7 piles. All right. I don't know about you, but why are they talking about shopping baskets? Are they like in big piles that are on top of each other? Come on, come up with something different here. So we have 14 shopping baskets that are stacked equally in 7 piles. So we have, here's our piles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have no idea. I forgot. Are we even supposed to do an array? Yeah, an array and a labeled taped diagram. Again, I'm just going to count to 14 because I have 7 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's my array. Super easy, lemon squeezy. Now I have to do the labeled tape diagram. Not sure whoever came up with that name there. So we know a labeled tape diagram is going to have one of those long triangles. How many do we have to divide it into? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's this number right there. Okay. So I need to have 7 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are in each of these? 2. Dos. Uno, dos. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sounds like an exercise program. And so we do a little thing right here. Tells you how many are in each of these bags or boxes. And there are 2. And the total is 14. All right. And let me see, show each column as a number of baskets in each pile. Did I do that right? Show each column has a number of baskets in each pile, and there are 7 piles. Okay. But if it's a shopping basket, wouldn't you want to do this? Here's a shopping basket right here. All right, and they got a little handle here. Now you got to stack the other one on top of it. And then you stack another one on top of it. I think that's a safety concern right there. I don't think we should be stacking shopping carts so high. I know your teacher is probably saying, move on. Okay, right. Hey, before I forget, don't forget to check out my other videos on this channel. We always have fun. Number 4. That was my commercial break. In the back of the store, Mr. Prescott. Are we talking about Mr. Prescott again? That name came up. Hold on here. Oh, we're talking about Mrs. Prescott had the plums, and Mr. Prescott, I assume, works at this store? Interesting. So I wonder if Mrs. Prescott is getting a deal on those plums because he works at the store. In the back of the store, Mr. Prescott packs 24 bell peppers equally in 8 bags. So yes, he does work at this store. 24 bell peppers equally into 8 bags. I wonder if a bell pepper sounds like a bell. I'm not sure. How many bell peppers are in each bag? Again, we got to make that array and a labeled tape diagram. Okay. Thank you very much, Eureka, for having us do this. Okay, we're going to make 8 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's a total of 24 bell peppers. Why can't I say that good? All right, 1, 2, 3. We're going to count to 24 here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh my goodness, if he's actually doing this all day long and his wife is eating all the fruit, God bless him. Anyway, we got 8 bags. There are 3 in each bag. Let's go ahead and do our tape diagram. Again, long rectangle. How many times are we going to make the little squares in there? 8 times. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I made an extra one. That sometimes happens. I'm just going to go ahead and just erase that one right there. You don't just ignore that one. Pretend it's not there. And actually, there's actually a trick. If you have to divide it into 8, you actually make 7 lines, but I didn't do that. So that's right. Sometimes I make boo-boos. So I put 3 in each. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Gotta give a little definition of this one. That is 3. How many? 3. 3 bell peppers. 3 peppers. And how many total bell peppers? Ding, ding, ding. That's the bell pepper doing that. We have 24. So we have 24 bell peppers. I like eating peppers. I don't know about you, but not a hot pepper. I like just normal peppers. I like them cooked and put some rice with it. Ooh, delicious. Okay. Olga. My wife's from Colombia, so we have a friend named Olga. Olga saves $2 a week to buy a toy car. Okay, this has nothing to do with shopping. I don't think so. Nothing to do with the store, shopping baskets. Olga. Who's Olga? This is like a soap opera here. We know who Mr. Prescott is, but who's Olga? Could that be their daughter? I don't know. Olga saves $2 a week to buy a toy car. Has to be that. I don't think well, I like to buy toy cars. Anyway, let's get on. $2 a week to buy a car. The car costs $16. Are you serious? A toy car is going to cost $16. You can buy a Hot Wheel car at Walmart or Target for like $1. So go there, or the dollar store. How many weeks will it take her to save enough to buy the toy? All right. Total is 16, right? So we got 2. So let's just count by 2s. Can we just do that? And then figure out how many days it's going to be? So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's going to give me 8 days. All right? 8 days. So does it say I have to do a tape diagram? No, it doesn't say that. Do I have to do an array? No. You use your own imagination on how to do that. I remember back in the old days, I would just go like this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Yeah, I have to stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My mind was way ahead of me and I was just trying to figure this out. So these are each days, all right? Use your imagination. Unless your teacher says, yeah, you got to use an array or one of those tape diagrams, you got to do it that way. But no, they don't say that, all right? Might as well do it a fun, whatever way. Totally up to you. Have a little freedom, have a little fun. Okay, 8 days. Where's she getting the $2? $2 a week. No, sorry about that. Did I say days? Okay, this, I better do that little thingy here. This is, yeah, wait. Okay, how many weeks does it take her to save? I'm so sorry. Just pretend I didn't say that. That's 8 weeks. I'm glad I caught that. You know what? Us math teachers, we make a lot of mistakes because we're thinking like 4 or 5 steps way ahead, and it's up to you guys to help. Make sure you check our work all the time. It's going to be 8 weeks. All right. How many months is that? Huh? What is it? 2 months. 2 months of salary that Olga is going to be saving up. 8 weeks to buy a toy car that costs $16. That's a lot of money, $2 a week. I mean, she's not making a lot, it's $2 a week, all right? So if you want to do something really cool, figure out how much she's making a day for getting $2 a week. Do a little division on that one. That's for my higher learning students out there. Yeah, a little challenge for you. But really, $16 for a car? No. Go to the secondhand store, get a car there, 50 cents, or yard sale. Okay, on to the last problem. The teacher's like, oh my goodness, did I click on the right Eureka math tutorial here for my class? So here we go. Miss right here is, she is not married. So we got Mr. and Mrs. Prescott. We got Olga. We're not sure about Olga. We're assuming that Olga is with the family of Mr. and Mrs. Prescott, and she's getting $2 a week for her allowance, and her parents are actually going to let her buy a car that costs $16. Now, Miss McCarty has 18 stickers. Who is this? Okay, let's go a little more information. She puts 2 stickers on each homework paper and has no more left. Homework. All right, so she has 18 stickers. She puts 2 stickers on each of the homework papers and has no more left. Very sad. How many homework papers does she have? Model the problem with both an array and labeled tape diagram. I'm assuming she's the teacher, and she could be the teacher for Olga. Okay, I'm thinking she's the teacher on this. So, and she's not married, and so maybe later on as we read, maybe she'll find somebody, and we'll continue the story on with her. But she's we don't even know how old she is. She just knows that she has 18 stickers. She puts 2 stickers on each homework paper and has no more left. Sad story. How many homework papers does she have? Let's check it out. So again, let's just count by 2s to go to 18. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay, so she's putting 2 stickers. If you want to do an array, we might as well get this array out of the way. Array, array, hooray for array. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So she did 9 papers. 9 papers. Why is she putting 2 stickers on each homework paper? Does anybody ask that? 2 stickers on each homework paper and has no more left? She has 9 papers, right? Work with me on this one. She has 9 papers. I know we have to do the tape diagram, okay? We'll get to that. But I think the real problem here is that she would be saving on the stickers if she doesn't put so many stickers on each paper. I mean, think about that. Every single day she's putting 2 or it could be more stickers on each paper. No reason. No, this is like the big reason why she's running out of stickers. All right. Okay. Got to calm down. Okay. 9 papers. We need to put 9 papers here. All right. Let's just go ahead and put 9 squares. I'm throwing away. That's why she's using up all these stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there are 2 stickers. She probably puts these little star stickers. So if they get, maybe they're doing a homework or writing homework or math homework like this, or Eureka, and she's putting 2 stickers on there. Could somebody please call up Miss McCarthy and say, hey, you really don't need to be putting 2 stickers on each paper. You could save so much money and have a lot more stickers to put on other things. So each of these is 2 stickers. And then, but I bet little Olga over here, I bet little Olga's happy. And this is what it looks like. We got a total of 18 stickers. All right, here we go. So here's little Olga. Just drawing a little picture of Olga. She is so happy. All right, here she is right here. She's so happy because she's actually getting a lot of stickers. And let me draw some hands on her. And her little feet. And I'm going to put a little paper in her hand right there. And the 2 stickers. She's one happy student. Anyway, well, God bless her heart, Miss McCarthy. You're giving so much to the students and you're making them happy. All right. Draw some lines on her dress. Hey, put a little nose there. There it is. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the day. Thanks a lot for watching the show today. It's a long day, but I hope you had a good time out there. Make sure you check out my other videos. Got a lot of cool math videos. I have another channel called Lampofilm. Lots of cool stuff on that one. I have a lot of detailed math work I go over. I also have another one. It's an outdoor channel. We have fun on that. And of course, this is on the Learning Fun Show. Hey, if you ever have a request or a different math workbook or a certain lesson, put it down in the comments. All right. So I'd love to hear from you, where you're at, what school you're at, and anything. Just talk to me. I actually look at all the comments. I'm going to go. Have a good day. Adios. Goodbye.